Floaters. Oh my God, that wasn't good for you. Fundamentals. Work on the fundamentals. 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 Left. Can y'all see me? Oh my goodness. Okay, for those who want to work on your left hand, if you're a beginner, you can take 2 steps. You go like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Like that. All right, for beginners. So left, right. Okay? So if you want to work on your left hand layups, first start without dribbling. Left, right. Okay? Left, right. Okay? That's how you do it. Here we go. Left, right. Keep doing it over and over and over. Okay? Left, right. Over and over and over. Till you master it. Left, right. Left, right. Over and over and over. Keep doing it. Left, right. Until you get the hang of it. Then you can go one dribble. Dribble, 1, 2. Left. Dribble, 1, 2. Dribble, 1, 2. Dribble, 1, 2. And you do that, you do 2 dribbles. 1, 2 dribbles. Here we go. 1, 2. And you count to yourself when you're taking your steps. 1, 2. Okay? So you get the hang of it. So it become repetition, become second nature. It become second nature, become a habit. 1, 2. Just count to yourself until it become a habit. 1, 2. Okay? So those are the tips to start working on your left hand layup. So start first, let's go over, let's do a review. Hold on. my God. All right, sorry about that, guys. I had to help somebody get a tennis ball. Anyway, so let's review. So no dribble. 1, 2. Lay it up. There you go. Again. 1, 2. Do it like maybe 10 times. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright. Then the 1 dribble, 1, 2. Dribble, 1, 2. Always start with your left, finish with your right. Okay? Dribble, 1, 2. Here we go. Dribble, 1, 2. Dribble, 1, 2. Dribble, 1, 2. Okay? And that's how you do it. That's how you work on doing your left hand layups. Okay? That's how you do it. Over and over and over until it becomes muscle memory. And you'll be able to get it, down. Alright? So that's how you do it, left hand layup. And same with the right hand. Same with the right hand. Same principle. Just 1, 2. You're going left, right. Okay? You're going, no, I'm sorry, going right, left instead of the other way. So right, you're going right, left. Right, left. So you're going to go like this. 1, 2, and up. Okay? 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, up. I can undo it under hand. 1, 2. However you want to do it. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. Right? I can do it straight up. 1, 2. That's if you're left-handed. 1, 2, and you want to work on your right hand layup. That's how you can do it without no dribble. 1, 2. Just like that. Alright? 1, 2. Same thing. Then you want to add a dribble. Dribble. 1, 2. Dribble. 1, 2. Keep doing it over and over. And that's it. That's your left hand for beginners. Working on left hand for beginners. Working on your right hand for beginners. Okay? You can do it. All right.